If you're looking for ways to support DIYNate, here are a few options. First, on the free side of things, you can like my DIYNate content, give me a thumbs up at the bottom of the video. Additionally, you can subscribe to my DIYNate videos. This helps drive advertising dollars. Next, you can also purchase products through my DIYNate affiliate links. Typically, these are found in the description section below my videos. You can access Amazon and purchase products, whether it's something I recommend, or if you click on the link and go out and shop on Amazon, I'll also get referral dollars. Also, you'll see some Home Depot links sprinkled throughout my videos as well. Next, on the funded side of things, you can become a patron by going to GoFundMe.com, searching for DIYNate, or you can simply use the tiny URL listed on this slide. Lastly, you can become a sponsor by emailing me at DIYNate79@gmail.com to discuss sponsorship options. Thanks again for watching, and appreciate you considering supporting the DIYNate efforts.